Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from ITK. This is the new skincare line available at Walmart from the twins, Brooklyn and Bailey. So I have cut this open, but I have not opened it yet, but I have seen the products at Walmart. So I know a little bit about them, but I don't know what I've been sent. And in case you want to take a look at the box, I didn't look too hard because I want to be surprised. All right, let's see what we've got inside. So this was sent to me in PR. And let's see what we've got going on. Dermatologist tested, vegan, cruelty-free, free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. All right, this sounds good so far, right? Okay. Hi, we are Brooklyn and Bailey, and we are beyond excited to share our new skincare line, ITK, with you. We can't wait to hear what you think, Brooklyn and Bailey. Super exciting. I love skincare, and I always love seeing what's new. All right, pretty generous package. Let's see what we've got inside. So, first off, let's start with this. This is the Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. That sounds good. Removes grime and makeup to cleanse skin. It's paraben and sulfate free, vegan and cruelty free, synthetic free, recyclable box and bottle, and it's dermatologist tested. Use it AM and PM. Okay, I love the packaging. Love the packaging. And ITK stands for in the know, and you can scan each, look, they even have a QR code on the bottle. You can scan the QR code to be in the know. And all their social media is at Stay ITK. Stay in the know. Stay ITK. So this has provitamin B5, pineapple enzymes, coconut-derived cleansing ingredients. So you massage this on the dampened skin and rinse. Ooh. So I think I might just test this line out this week. Looking forward to this. All right. This is the ITK, and this is also really cool packaging. This is actually like, I don't know how, if you can see, that's like cut into the box. Very cool. Anyways, Prebiotic Gel Moisturizer hydrates and visibly balances skin. Now we already know it's free of all the yuckies. So this has, let's see, you use it day and night. This has niacinamide. Ooh, cute little convenient squeeze tube bottle. This has niacinamide, prebiotic, and squalane. Ooh, so very, very moisturizing. Dispense into hands, work onto face. And I just want to take a look. I'm curious. Okay, nicely sealed. I appreciate that. Let's see what this is. This is microneedle blemish patches. Minimizes and covers blemishes. Okay, so of course you're gonna use it when you need it, right? It says you can use it day or night. Salicylic acid, niacinamide, and aloe vera. You can apply a patch to a blemish, and you can leave it on overnight for up to 8 hours. Very nice, very cool. And I've really fallen in love with the whole blemish patches thing. Okay, this sounds awesome. This I'm really excited about. This is a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen setting mist. SPF 30 setting mist. Sets makeup, UVA, UVB protection, and blue light protection. I am so into this. This is awesome. So this has vitamin E in it, and this does have a blend of chemical sunscreens, avobenzone, homosalate, octilisate, and octocrylene. Okay, very cool. SPF 30, I love it. Yes. Okay, let's take a look, shall we? Again, love the packaging. Very cute. And let's see if we can see if it has a scent. Let's get started. It smells like sunscreen. But that's okay. You know, sunscreen doesn't always smell pleasant. What I care is that it does actually protect my skin and set my makeup. So, but for those of you that cannot stand the scent of sunscreen, this not only smells like sunscreen, it smells like alcohol. So, heads up. I'm not sensitive to that type of stuff, but I understand and respect that a lot of people are. So, if you don't like the smell of sunscreen and you don't want your setting mist to have alcohol in it, you probably might want to skip this particular item. But for those of you that don't mind, I don't mind. Check it out. All right, we got 2 more items, it looks like. Very cool. This sounds fun. So this is a clay color changing mask. Clay color changing mask. It helps tighten pores and removes buildup. So it's got kaolin clay, jojoba seed oil, and glycerin. You're going to apply this onto your face. You're going to leave it on for 5 minutes and rinse and dry. Ooh, this sounds really cool, guys. I'm looking forward to trying it. Nice. I love new stuff, don't you? All right, moving on. This is the Nightly Clarifying Serum. Visibly reduces dullness and redness. Let's see. It's got, I love that they have everything that you really want to know, like front and center. And of course, all the other ingredients and stuff are here, but like on every single thing, it's been really clearly labeled. So we got azelaic acid derivative. My goodness, I cannot read. Azelaic acid derivative, bakuchiol, and peptides. Okay, you're going to dispense it into dry hands and pat on the face. Wow, this sounds really cool. Nightly Clarifying Serum. Okay, so that is everything I got from the skin line. I know they have more stuff in their line. I think that actually might be the entire skincare line, but I know they also have gummy vitamins, I believe for like hair and for nails, I forget. So I wanted to actually check those out. Those sound really cool, but yeah, I'm excited about trying all this. So are you guys fans of Brooklyn and Bailey? I know they also have fashion and lashes, as well as now a skincare line. Are you guys fans of the twins? I'm always fascinated by twins because I'm an only child, so I'm always intrigued by the relationships of siblings. I think that's a really neat connection to have with another person. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Brooklyn and Bailey. Thank you, ITK, for sending me this cool PR box to check out your new brand. And that is it. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below, everybody. I love it when you guys interact with me. So ask me questions, leave me some comments. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.